Alright, so this is going to be a video on one-sided limits. Okay, we're going to do a little bit of thinking on this video. Okay, so for the first part we have right here, it says the limit of f of x as x goes to c. And if you remember by our definition of limit, the limit has to converge onto one point. Okay, so on both sides of that point, the positive and the negative side, it has to converge onto one point. Okay? This next part, there's two other limit equations right here. But you should notice something a little bit different about these two compared to this. So what I want you to do is kind of pause the video right here, well, maybe after I say this, then pause it. I want you to try to figure out, just guess. I'm not even going to tell you what this represents, but what do you think these pluses and minuses represent, okay? So pause it here, fill it out, and then when you're done with that, hit play and check if you're right or wrong, okay? So pause it. Okay, so we're back. Now, what you should have for each of these is, it's the limit of f of x as x goes to c, and then there's a little plus sign up here. You should have noticed that little difference. And what this ends up being is the limit from the right side of the function. Okay, so it's from the right side. Okay, just think the number line. The positive is always on the right, the negative's on the left. And that's when this one is just x goes to c, there's a little negative. It's on the right, not on the left like you're used to. And this just means it's the limit from the left. I don't know what to spell left. The left side. Okay, these are not always equal. But when they are equal, when these two are equal to each other, then it basically proves this one up here. So for this to be true, this and this both must be equal. So if this limit and this limit are both equal, then that limit exists. If this is not equal to this, as you probably already know, then this does not exist. Okay? If you have any questions on this, let me know.